How to Fix TikTok Unstable Internet Connection 2025 Guide. Hey everyone, welcome back to HowtoMastery. In this quick video, I'll show you how to fix the unstable internet connection error on TikTok, step by step. Let's get started. Step 1. Check your internet connection. First, make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data is working properly. Try opening another app or website to see if it loads. If not, turn airplane mode on, wait a few seconds, then turn it off to refresh your network. Step 2. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. If you're still getting the error, try switching. If you're on Wi-Fi, switch to mobile data or the other way around. Sometimes a weak signal causes TikTok to show the unstable connection message. Step 3. Restart your router. If you're on Wi-Fi, unplug your router for 10 seconds, then plug it back in. Wait for the connection to stabilize and try TikTok again. Step 4. Clear TikTok cache. Go to TikTok, tap App Profile, then tap the 3 lines in the top right corner. Go to Settings and Privacy, scroll down and tap Free Up Space. Clear your cache. This won't delete your videos, but it can fix glitches. Step 5. Update TikTok. An outdated app can cause connection errors. Go to the Google Play Store or App Store, search for TikTok, and tap Update if it's available. Step 6. Reinstall TikTok if needed. If the error still appears, uninstall TikTok, restart your phone, and reinstall it. Log back in and check if the issue is fixed. Step 7. Use a VPN as a last resort. In some regions, unstable connection errors happen due to network restrictions. Try using a trusted Stad VPN app to connect to a different server, but only if allowed in your country. Outro. And that's how you fix the unstable internet connection problem on TikTok. If this video helped, hit like, subscribe to HowtoMastery, and drop a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. Enjoy your scrolling.